Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I put together a polymer clay artwork usually. For today's video I have already made the miniature clay dolls, but I'll be showing you how generally I put together a perfect background for a particular family, decor, or even a nameplate. This family was from Lucknow, India, and that's why I wanted to capture the famous Imambara monument here. Taking a foam sheet here to make grass for the bottom part, and what I've realized is generally foam sheets go very well with clay creations. It'll add a very nice texture and depth to the whole decor. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, I'm Akanksha. I'm based out of Delhi, India. I make customized handmade gifts. I have an online art studio by name of White Musk Crafts. It's there on Facebook and Instagram both, so you can check out my artwork over there. If you want to say a hi to me or order something from me, feel free to reach me on Instagram or Facebook pages. As usual, I'll be putting the links to all the materials used in this video in the description box, and if you still have any more doubts, please comment on the video. That's how this piece looked in the end. I really hope you like this video. Please do let me know in the comment section how was it for you guys. I would love to hear your comments on this one. And last but not the least, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you are always notified. And thank you so much for watching everyone. See you until next time. Bye bye.